Minista wa kisomo Ezekiel Machogu niwaumbula kana silikali ndina muvango wa kwongela ndivi ya masomo sukuluni sia secondary na ila sia junior secondary. Minista aneenea ikomanoni ya dhandhatu ya kila mwaka ya alimu anene masukulu sia musingi kauntini ya Mombasa vala waweta kana silikali niyikiite mawalanyo mwanya kwolela asimu kuo wa ndivi ya sukulu ne kana kila kana kakwate kisomo. Angelina
Ogunu kwetakana vaye muvango wa kwongela kwa ndivi ya masomo sukulu sia junior secondary na ila sia secondary.
I also wish to clarify that contrary to recent reports in section of the media, there is no intention on the part of the government to increase school fees. And I require to repeat that. There is totally no intention by the government of William Samoei Ruto to increase the school fees in secondary or in junior school. I will be able to elaborate what the Education Committee and we as a government are doing to make sure that the figures as indicated here will be given to us by National Treasury, and for sure we consider that to be adequate. So there will be no increase.
Niwaumbula alimu anene na alama kukwatikana mayongela asi ndivi ni makuvikia kuose wa matambia makimea.
The school fees for boarding schools will remain at the currently approved rates. School administrators will therefore be required to ensure adherence to the prevailing circulars and directives on the matter. Ladies and gentlemen, principals, including those who are not here, principals of secondary schools, the chairman of the Teacher Service Commission is here, and I think is clearly getting this message. This is a constitutional matter, enshrined in Article 53 of the Constitution of this country. Anybody going against that particular provision in the Constitution, it will not only amount to gross misconduct, but I think a violation of the Constitution itself.
Wanauyevo minista unu wawetakana silikali niyikiite mawalanyo mwanya kuikithia kana kila kana nikakwata kisomo kwa kuikithia kana ndivi ila asima kumia ndithi wa yema vinyea.
The government will also continue to support schools and runners through capitation. This is part of the obligation of the state in fulfilling the right to free and compulsory basic education. As you are aware, since 2003, the government has been implementing the free primary education program. Currently, we fund each runner at Kenya shillings 1,420. For junior school, the government provides capitation at the rate of Kenya shillings 15,042 per runner. Runners in our secondary schools are funded at 22,240 per runner. From our evaluation and taking into account the economies of scale, these capitation amounts, if properly utilized, will be adequate to support the efficient running and the management of schools.
Wanauyevo ngwatanio ya alimu anene ni eka ila silikali kumamba ti alimu ndeve na kuikithia kana ilovia sia sukulu ni sia kwatikana kavindani kala kailite ni kana maundu ma kisomo mavikie kwa ila vala mwane kivilo anzama ya kuandika alimu Jamlek Muturi wawetakana silikali ni vadhiti ilovia sia kuanesia kiyo vamwe na kuongelo alimu masukuluni.
Capture acknowledges the government strongly for the following and not limited to this. 1. Promoting primary school head teachers from job group P1 to C5. 2. Domiciling junior school in the primary schools. 3. Setting aside money for promotion of teachers in the coming fiscal year through the Teacher Service Commission.
And that's why I want to thank the President especially for providing money for salary increment for all our teachers in this country. I also want to thank the President that through his government, Kenya Kwanza, our CS, we were provided 1 million shilling for promotion of our teachers.
Uo kakavindani kala Minista mwamba na mwandiki mutini kama unduni maki somo beli ukipsang na ene yanda kivathuka nyomedhi wa mayutuve komono yangu atu ya alimu anene masukulu sia musingi va kauntini ya Mombasa. Livote ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.